Hello everyone, so how to install Facebook Watch on Apple TV. So here's Apple TV 4. So just go to basically your TV OS store, and then you just scroll to apps, or you can just search, and basically here is Facebook Watch app. So you can search for that, and then you need to tap with your remote. So here's your remote, just tap on this icon, cloud icon, and then basically you can find the latest trending videos, discover original shows. So here are some screenshots. They are not like of the best quality, but basically this is how it looks like. So Facebook is the place to enjoy videos. So this is official Facebook app developed by Facebook. So you will just need to log in with your account, and this is the way to watch Facebook videos on Apple TV. There isn't an app like that for Instagram or IGTV, but probably you should try like this paid app, which is like $9.99, which is called Watch for Instagram. So this app, try that. Maybe you can try to watch Instagram with that app. So hope it's helpful for you guys, and thanks for watching.